State and local taxes are becoming an increasingly important consideration for our clients. With the recent fiscal crisis faced by the states and their aggressive efforts to try and bring in more money, state and local taxes have brought a heightened awareness to our clients. At Clark Nuber, our state and local tax group works with our clients to understand their state and local tax obligations. This includes not only understanding how the Washington taxes apply, but for our clients with multi-state operations, what other state taxes might apply to them as well. For our clients with sales or operations outside the state, we help them understand their compliance obligations in the states where they do business. Do they owe state income tax and how much? Are their products subject to sales or use tax? And if they are, do they have to collect sales or use taxes and remit them to the state? Do they have employees that travel outside the state? And if so, do they have to withhold personal income tax on their wages? These are all questions that our clients are asking us. And perhaps maybe the most important question is, when they have tax obligations, are there things they can do to limit or minimize those taxes? Many of our clients are growing and looking at expanding into other states. Often they come to us and say, what kinds of things that we do in other states make us subject to tax there? So we look at client situations and we help them to understand what the jurisdictional or nexus rules are for the states where they might be conducting activities. Once subject to tax, we help our clients understand what the state tax landscape looks like in a particular state. Some of our clients are considering opening up new offices or deploying capital or making investments in states. And they'll come to us and say, we have a list of 2 or 3 states, would you look at them and compare the tax rules in the states and tell us from a tax perspective which state might be a better choice for us? And so we look not only at the tax rules that apply to their operations, which do differ from state to state, we also look at whether or not the states offer tax incentives. It's very popular among the states to be perceived as competitive in looking for new business investment, to offer tax exemptions and other various tax incentives to be attractive to future investment by companies looking at expanding their operations. One of Clark Nuber's distinctive features is our state and local tax group. For a firm our size, the breadth and depth of our state and local tax expertise is unique. We offer many of the services that are offered by the national firms, but with a local feel. Many of our clients comment on the value they receive from our state and local tax services.